Many of you may have a question, what is the difference between WP HTTP requests and HTML page requests? Let's discuss differences and see examples for each one of them. I am using HTTP Requests Manager and I am developer of this plugin. So this HTTP Requests Manager plugin manages WP HTTP requests, and it's different from the page requests. So let's see what is the difference between them. So WP HTTP is a class inside the WordPress, and it's used while generating a page. It calls to remote external requests. It sends external requests to API endpoints. So WP HTTP requests are happening inside your WordPress website. It's inside the PHP, and you don't usually see them unless you have some special plugin like this plugin. So they are also known like as API calls, external requests, remote requests on PHP. Like these requests are happening inside PHP. It's usually using CURL functions, and end user like normal site visitors don't see these calls, don't see this information, don't know about this, but it slows down your pages. So if page has a couple API calls, it will take, I don't know, maybe 3 seconds, 5 seconds to generate. On the other hand, HTML page requests are requests for loading images, style sheet, CSS files, or JavaScript files, fonts, maybe, and videos. So these are all used for loading page assets. So page requests happen inside the browser. It's not happening in web server as opposed to HTTP requests. So page requests are between the user browser and server, and HTTP requests between inside the server, between this your server and another server. So how it affects total page time? Generally, WP HTTP request increase time to first byte. Because it delays page generation time. So page will normally generate in 1 second or in less 1 second, but with WP HTTP request it will generate in 2 or 3 seconds. Page requests generally affect the other core web vitals parameters like first contentful paint, largest contentful paint, cumulative layout, shift, etc. So let's see example for each type. Let's see first WP HTTP requests. So I am using HTTP Requests Manager plugin, and these are WP HTTP requests. So for example, this is to API WordPress org website. It loads plugin information, and here we see that request time is 0.4 seconds, and page time is slow because of this request added to total page time, and it's 1.2 seconds. And we can see what information sent with this request and what response we get from that API. And this is not visible, this information is not visible to end user. It's not loaded in browser, it's happening inside PHP of your WordPress website. And You can see all requests, different types of requests using this plugin. And let's see example of page requests. So we go to PageSpeed Insights and test our website, and when you scroll down you will see inside Page Loads tab page requests. So this is JavaScript, this is page itself, so this is image and CSS, another JavaScript, another image from YouTube. So these are page requests. They are assets that will style page, that will add some functionality, add images, fonts, and videos to your page. So, and let's see another example. If we use Speed Vitals website, you can see waterfall view. You can switch to waterfall, and here it's more structured and shows when each asset loaded. So this is page itself, and with page we have style file and JavaScript file, images, another JavaScript, and for as a summary we can see that we have in total 9 requests. So one is page request, HTML request, and another 8 are asset requests. So these are page requests. If you want to have a fast website, you need to optimize your backend and front end. Page requests are responsible for front end, and for backend you need to use a couple different optimizations like database optimization, WP HTTP optimization, caching, so pages will load much faster. And if you want to complete checklist that focuses on optimizing your backend and front end, I have a checklist, speed optimization checklist, which I use on all my websites. You can download it from webpa.com/speed. And if you want more WP HTTP tutorials, you can view them in my playlist. And also you can download this plugin, HTTP Requests Manager plugin, from my website. I will add a link to in description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in next videos.